Hello and welcome to my video about quadrants. So what are quadrants? This is for grade 6s. This is a low level just introduction to quadrants here. So we are pretty used to graphs at this point, hopefully. And we have seen graphs that look like this, and what happens is, as we change our x value, we can change our y value. And so this area we call quadrant 1. So this is where we have positive x values and positive y values. This is kind of normal. Most situations in real life are in quadrant 1. And so normally we use Roman numerals actually. So I'll just show that right here. So oftentimes we'll use Roman numerals for these quadrants, but I'll write those off to the side. So this is quadrant 1, okay? And this is where it's positive in the x and positive in the y direction. Now what we will do is we will shift over and we will see that we have a quadrant 2 location. So quadrant 2 is going to be right here. So quadrant 2 includes when we have x values that are negative. So now this is x values that are negative and y values that are positive. Okay, so quadrant 2 will look like this. Okay, and the Roman numeral for that is going to be this one here. So it's kind of like double I for Roman numerals. Okay. What happens next is we go down to quadrant 3, which is down over here. This is where it is negative in both the x and the y direction. So this looks like this, and this is called quadrant 3. Okay, so Roman numeral 3 looks like this. With it kind of looks like a triple I. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's how I think about it. You can just add the number of i's and that would be the number for 1, 2, and 3. But we can keep going. This is quadrant 4. And so we get this as quadrant 4. And that'll be Roman numeral 4 with, it's an IV. So the V is for the number 5 in Roman numerals, so it's 5 minus 1. That's actually how you can kind of count this Roman numeral here. So if we zoom out now, you can see that quadrants 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are shown as they go around the circle in the counterclockwise direction. So we start over here and then we move counterclockwise around the circle like this. All right. So yeah, that is quadrants 1, 2, and 3, and 4. I hope this video helps you better understand those, and good luck.